This is the operating profit ratio. This ratio measures the relationship between operating profit and net revenue from operation. Operating profit ratio calculated as operating profit upon net revenue from operations, that is net sales, into 100. Answer will come in percentage. And operating profit can be calculated by this formula: net profit means before tax, plus net operating expenses oblique losses minus non-operating income. Gross profit plus other operating income minus other operating expenses, or revenue from operation minus operating cost. Non-operating expenses, they include interest on long-term borrowing, loss on sale of fixed and non-current asset. Non-operating income, they include interest received on investment, profit on sale of fixed assets or non-current asset. Interpretation: this ratio determines the rate of operating profit on revenue from operation. Operation profit ratio plus operating ratio is equal to 100. Example: operating ratio is 75% and operating profit ratio will be 25%. Both ratio are interrelated. Higher the operating profit ratio, better is for the company. What are the significance? Operating profit ratio is an indicator of operational efficiency. Increase in the ratio shows the better efficiency and performance. What precaution should be taken? Precaution should be taken at the time of efficient of the business depend on the increase the operating profit ratio and determining the operating ratio. This is our question. Revenue from operation, cost of revenue from operation, administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses, loss on sale of plant. This is the amount, and what we should do, we have to find out the operating profit ratio. The formula of operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit upon net revenue from operation into 100. So in this question, gross profit can be calculated by this formula: revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. So here gross profit is rupees 2,50,000. Operating profit can be calculated: gross profit minus administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. When we less administration expenses, selling and distribution expenses from the gross profit, we are getting operating profit. Here operating profit is rupees 1,60,000. Now put all the values in the main formula: 1,60,000 above and 4 lakh is below into 100. Here is the answer is operating profit ratio is 40%.